In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add ads on an Odoo website step by step using the Odoo online demo. This method works great if you want to test ad placements, custom HTML blocks, or simply understand how ads can be added inside Odoo's website builder without touching complex backend code. If you're running an Odoo website or planning to monetize pages with ads, this tutorial will help you get started quickly. And before we jump in, make sure to hit the like button if this video helps you out, and subscribe to the channel for more Odoo and website tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type Odoo Demo and press Enter. This will bring up the official Odoo demo links that let you try Odoo online without installing anything. From the search results, click on the option that says Demo Odoo Online. This will open a live demo environment where you can safely experiment without affecting a real website. Once the demo loads, you'll be taken to a sample Odoo website. On the top of the page, look for the Edit button and click on it. This switches the website into edit mode, allowing you to customize page content. Now, on the right-hand panel, you'll see another edit option that lets you replace existing content with your own HTML code. Go ahead and click on that edit option. Next, click Edit again to open the HTML editor for the selected section. Inside the editor, you'll see a div element, something like a div with alert and info classes. This is the content block we're going to modify. Click directly inside that div section so you can edit the code or text inside it. Now, type in your ad content. For this demo, you can simply type the word ads to represent where your advertisement will appear. In a real website, this is where you would paste your actual ad code, such as Google AdSense code or any third-party ad script you want to use. Make sure the code is placed correctly inside the div so it displays properly on the page. After adding the ad content, click on Save. This saves the changes for that specific content block. Then click Save again to make sure all page changes are applied and published. Once saved, your ad content is now visible on the Odoo website page. And that's it. You've successfully added ads to an Odoo website using the Odoo online demo. This same process can be used on your live Odoo website to insert ads, promotional banners, or custom HTML sections anywhere on your pages. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Odoo guides and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.